Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you simple editing tools, video editing tools that you can use. Majorly you can use two apps. I am going to recommend two apps. One is InShot application. Let me look for it on my screen. So this is one very good app that you can use. One very good app that you can use, the InShot application. Okay, and you can download it on Google Play. And again, we're going to use another video editing tool which is called the kinemaster. All right, some people call it the kinemaster or kinemaster, however you pronounce it. So I'm just going to stick with kind master. All right, so it's a very kind master. Okay, so you can use it to create your videos. So I'm just going to tap on kind master. All right, so this is not what it really looks like once you download it. This is something I've worked on before. So exactly. All right, so these are the templates. When you check my screen, these are the things I've worked on so far. All right, and you too can work on it. For example, let me play this so that you can have an idea of what it is. Okay. Hi, my name is Victoria Simon, and today I'm here to cut the soap you want me to cut. All right, so simply this is what it does for you. All right, so this particular interface that I'm about to show you on kinemaster, you cannot keep your phone. This is, so you have to slant it. All right, you have to make it transverse for you to be able to use it because of the large screen size. So I'm just going to introduce you to the area that we will be using. For example, this is what we call the tools that you will be needing. All right, so on this particular one, I'm just going to show you how they work. This is what we call the asset store, kinemaster asset store. My data is off because I don't want distraction from other apps right now. Okay, so and then when you click on the plus sign, the plus sign is just what you need to understand when it comes to virtual creation. Okay, so on this app you have different dimensions. If you want to have your video in a phone format, that is 9 by 16 1:1, that is the Instagram format that you can use if you want to post your video on Instagram, wherever you want to post it. However, if you also want to post your video to YouTube, then you have to choose the 16 by 9, which is usually, it just fits different type of things that you want to use. So I'm just quickly going to introduce you. So when you tap on it, you have the background is very key. You can decide to import your image from anywhere. So this is basically how it works, the interface. So when I tap on the background, I can just pick any of the backgrounds that I want. So I'm just going to pick one background, which is black or white. All right, whatever you want to do, you can pick as many as you can. So with this, you can increase it just the way you have over here. And what we have here is, once you pick a background, you can change the color here. You can also trim over here. Then here, what is what we call the overlay, that helps you to create most of the effects you see on videos. So if you're just starting on a, that is clip graphics, you can create great amazing graphics that you want to. All right, but basically I just want to also introduce you to the basic interface that you have. All right, so now this is the media. This is where you have what you want on the screen. So when you tap on media, you have the various things that you want. This is where you can save. All right, so if you're done with your project, your video project, you can go ahead and save. Here you can add your audio sound, so you can add your audio sound if you want. Then here you can add your voiceover. So if at all you've recorded anything or you're trying to explain after creating your presentations, all right, for example, after creating your presentation slides, you can bring them here, add them to this particular background over here, and then you can activate your voice and begin to talk to explain your video. And here you go, you have your video templates all created. And then layer, so when you have your background as your media, all you have to do, you have to tap on layer, and when you tap on layer you have different options. For example, I'm going to tap on layer. When you tap on layer, it gives you the option of media. You can add another media on it. I'm still going to show you how it works. You have your effect, right? So whatever you have as your media, you can create effect for it. Then you have your overlay allows you to create clip graphics on it, also to edit and give your video a very nice and comfortable shape as well. And then you also have your text. You can add in your text, and then you can make it work for you however you want. And then finally you have the handwriting tool where you can add your shapes. You can also control whatever you have on your screen on this particular app. Okay, so here is it, and this is just a basic introduction. And under here you can do the backward. Maybe after designing you made a mistake and you don't want that to happen, you can just tap on the arrow over there, just like when you type on your Microsoft Word and then you want to cancel the action that you have taken. You can just click on that and you're ready to go. So here controls, and that this place, when you tap on it as well, you can do a lot of control. You can control by duplicating, by bringing it to the front, sending it to the back, just like you have with Canva and Pixel Lab. If you have an idea of that, you will be able to work on this tool. And here gives you the size of what you want, whether to zoom it or to leave it the way it is. And then here you have your setting, and all this you can either work on them by tapping whatever icon. For example, I tap on this other one, it gives you this. I tap on this, that's taking away the preview. And then maybe I tap on this, it actually shifted it to the left or to the right or wherever you want. Okay, so basically this is how our interface really looks like. So I can decide to delete for you to understand. So once I have this as my interface, this is empty. So what I'm going to do is to activate by tapping on my media, and when I do that I can choose any background of my choice that I want on the screen. Okay, so this is it. I am just going to tap on it, and here you go. All right, so once I have this as my media, it's just like my background. Okay, I can decide to have this, and then I can add my media. When I add a media to it, for example, I want to add pictures. You can use it to do pictures, live videos, whatever you want to do. So let's say I have my picture here. I'm just going to increase just because I have chosen this particular size. I have this as my picture, and one of the things I can do is to tap on the in animation. All right, this is what I mean. You have the in animation, you have the overall animation. Overall animation simply means what action do you want your whatsoever you have on your screen, like the image you've placed on your screen, what should it be doing all through. All right, it's, you will determine, should it be sliding up or should it be stagnant. Then in animation is how it comes in and the video comes in, and out animation, as you can see, is how the video goes out. So take note of that. Then you have the chroma key. Chroma key is very essential, and I will be teaching you how to use your chroma key. Okay, so take notes. Then you can crop, then you have the alpha opacity, you have the color filter. You want to filter the color to different what you want to do with the filter as well. You can choose to adjust anything you want to achieve can be done using the filter key. So basically that's what it does and how you can make use of it. You can tap on the zoom splits, okay. You can have all of these two on your screen if you want it to come that way, okay. And then when I want to create a voice record, I'm like, hello everyone, my name is Victoria Simon and I'm super excited to be on your screen today. So stop. So I have just added my voice over to it. Okay, so alright, so basically you can do that. Hello everyone, my name is Victoria. I don't know why it's not recording, but then when you work on it, you're able to achieve all of your recordings on it. Was too short, okay, so you have to do a very long recording. So let me stop, okay. It has to be long. So let me keep saying when you when I want to start, hello, when I want to start recording, I have something really really important that I need to do. I also have to engage in my content, get to create something really very important that you need to know on creating your videos. I don't want to bore you, so I'm just going to stop right here and let it go. So it's still saying too short. So when you have more of it, or better still, you can import. All right, you can import from wherever you want it to be. So I have my music files over here, so by tapping on it, and then I have it added to the song. So let's play it and see. And then you can work on it. You have the option of increasing, have a lot of increasing the volume. You have the option of actually, if the volume is too high, where you want the volume to be absolutely very low, okay, you can tap on it and adjust. All right, and here is what it does. So you saw that it was on a high note at the beginning, and towards the end it became very low. Alright, so this is how to control it, and all I did was to tap on this icon over here that you can see. This icon here controls the volume. Alright, but then if I want to increase the volume, I can do that. But then if I want to have a slope, like a different topography, I'm just going to work on that as well. And then here you have the option of actually choosing how you want your voice to be recorded, okay. So that's that. Then docking voice changer, you can change the voice to a male's voice or that of a child. Whatever you want to do, you can do all of that, okay. So basically that's what it does. And then there we go, there we go, there we go. So this is basically the introduction to the interface of your video editing. All right,